Hi, hello, namaskar. I hope you guys are doing good. So this is the Jeep that we had, which was white in color, which was later repainted to green. This had minor tinkering work, which had to get it done. This is about 15 plus years old, and the complete work was done back home, that is in Coorg. So the color we chose for this Jeep was Jeep Wrangler Sarge Green. So that's a color that we chose for this. So this is the color that we wanted, and I've given a glimpse of the whole process, how it started to where is it currently. While Coorg is famous for its rich culture, the terrain and the weather and whatnot, it is also famous for Mahindra Jeeps. Yeah, Mahindra Jeep, like Coorg and Kerala is one other place which has a lot of these Mahindras, and so this model is a 1998 one. It's a Mahindra MDI 550, and this is an 8-seater. It's a 4-wheel drive. So these Jeeps don't come with your regular doors, but it comes with these covers which you got to put it up when it is raining or whatever. And coming to the back side of it, this is where 6 people can sit. So we've folded it for now, 3 on each of the side. This is the back view, and this is the driver's side view of it. So there you go. You have the 4-wheel shifter, the regular shifter. This is 4 and 1 reverse, and this is done about lakh and 10,000. And this is the front face of it. So now let's start this vehicle. And if you want to switch it off, this is how you do it. There you go, it's off. So overall, in terms of the vehicle, given the terrain that we have and the roads that we have, this is one vehicle which can go like literally anywhere and carry how much of a load. And so previously this was not a power steering, but we got it converted to power steering. So it's smooth on the road, easy to control, and literally hassle-free. You just have to get this regular service done and maintain it well. This could go for another 20 years or 25 years. So that's a short tour of the Jeep that we have.